Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fill out a trademark application. Understanding the process is crucial for safeguarding your brand identity. A registered trademark provides exclusive rights to use your mark in connection with your goods or services across the entire country. This protection can last indefinitely with proper maintenance, giving you a significant advantage in the marketplace. We'll cover everything from initial searches to post-registration requirements, ensuring you're well-equipped to navigate this important legal step. Before submitting your application, a comprehensive search is absolutely essential. This helps you discover if a similar mark already exists, potentially saving you time and money. You'll also need to accurately classify your goods or services using the International NICE classification system, which has 45 classes. Furthermore, your mark must be distinctive. Generic or descriptive terms are generally not registrable. Taking these preparatory steps seriously will significantly increase your application's chances of success. When you're ready to apply, you'll typically use the Trademark Electronic Application System, or TEAS, online. The base application fee is $350 per class of goods or services. Be aware that surcharges may apply if you don't use the approved identification manual or if your descriptions are lengthy. You'll need to submit a clear representation of your mark and specify the goods or services it covers. Be precise in your descriptions and ensure all required fields are completed accurately to avoid delays. After filing, an examining attorney will review your application. You might receive an office action requesting more information or addressing issues. Respond within 3 months. An extension for another 3 months is possible with a fee. Once registered, you must file a declaration of use between the 5th and 6th year to confirm your mark is still in use. Subsequent renewals are required every 10 years. Consistent monitoring and timely filings are crucial to keep your valuable trademark protection active and enforceable for the long term.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.